Milan, the vibrant capital of Italy's Lombardy region, is a city steeped in history, culture, and modernity, making it a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world. Known as the fashion and design capital of the world, Milan offers a captivating blend of ancient landmarks, artistic treasures, and contemporary innovation. One of the most iconic landmarks in Milan is the magnificent Duomo di Milano, an intricate Gothic cathedral that dominates the city's skyline. Visitors can ascend to its rooftop for panoramic views of the city or explore its awe-inspiring interior, featuring intricate stained glass windows, sculptures, and stunning architectural details. Nearby, you'll find the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, a 19th-century shopping arcade renowned for its elegant architecture, high-end boutiques, and charming cafes. Art enthusiasts will find solace in Milan's numerous museums and galleries, with the Pinacoteca di Brera housing a remarkable collection of Italian art, including works by Caravaggio and Raphael. The Leonardo da Vinci Museum offers an in-depth look into the life and works of the renowned polymath, who spent a significant part of his life in Milan. For those with an appreciation for history and culture, a visit to the historic Sforza Castle is a must. This imposing fortress now serves as a museum and houses various art collections, including Michelangelo's unfinished masterpiece, the Rondinini Pieta. Stroll through the picturesque Sempione Park adjacent to the castle, offering a tranquil escape from the city's bustling streets. Milan's culinary scene is as diverse as it is delectable. The city is renowned for its world-class restaurants, serving authentic Italian dishes like risotto alla Milanese and osso buco. Be sure to indulge in some traditional Milanese cuisine at one of the many trattorias or osterias scattered throughout the city. Milan is also a hub for cutting-edge contemporary architecture, with the Bosco Verticale, vertical forest, residential towers and the sleek, glassy Unicredit Tower being notable examples. The city's commitment to modernity extends to its annual Milan Design Week, a global event celebrating design innovation, where you can explore exhibitions, installations, and design showcases across the city. If you're interested in fashion, Milan's Quadrilatero della Moda, Fashion Quadrangle, is the place to be. This high-end shopping district boasts flagship stores of iconic fashion brands like Prada, Gucci, and Versace. Don't forget to visit during Milan Fashion Week if you want to catch a glimpse of the latest trends and celebrity sightings. For a taste of local life, wander through the Navigli district, famous for its picturesque canals and vibrant nightlife. Here, you'll find charming cafes, artisanal shops, and a lively atmosphere in the evening, as the area comes alive with music, bars, and open-air markets. Milan's strategic location in northern Italy also makes it an ideal base for day trips to nearby destinations like Lake Como, known for its stunning landscapes, and the medieval town of Bergamo with its well-preserved historic center. Milan is a city of unparalleled charm, seamlessly blending its rich history with modernity. Whether you're an art connoisseur, a fashion enthusiast, a history buff, or simply a lover of good food and culture, Milan offers an unforgettable experience that will leave you captivated and inspired.